Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use model search tools. Let's try it together. Part 1. Category search. Function 1. Search by rooms. You can search for the desired model by navigating through first, second, and third level categories based on the space where the model is used. For example, to find a single bed model, go to bedroom, to beds, to single beds. Function 2. Search by model categories. If you want to search for models based on their classification, click the button on the right side of the catalogue to switch the classification mode, and then navigate through the 3-level category hierarchy to find the model. For example, to find a single bed model, go to Furniture, to Beds, Single Beds, Function 3. Search for commercial models. Models intended for commercial spaces are categorized under commercial and should be searched for there. For example, to find a library bookshelf model, go to Commercial Design, to Library, to Storage Furniture. Part 2. Keyword search. If you don't want to browse through categories step by step, you can directly enter keywords in the search bar at the top of the model library to find the type of model you need. For example, just enter the keyword sofa in the search bar, then select the required model in the searched material column. Part 3. Tag search. If you already have a specific model type in mind, you can filter the results using tags such as texture, form, or brand. Part 4. Browse and explore. In addition to category search, the model interface offers several alternative ways to find models. When you click on a popular, the current page will display the most commonly used and currently popular models, helping you quickly discover widely adopted and popular content. When you click on a brand, you can browse models by brand to easily find products from a specific manufacturer or series. When you click on a recommend, the current page will provide features, curated selections, and newly added models. You can quickly find your favorite model through these channels. That's all, thanks for watching.